starts the whole thing off. Yeah, Grandpa's out Okay, you stay back. They're running them at a pretty good pace there, okay? They're not going slow.
Oh, there's a lot of cows. Oh, baby cow.
Oh, you were hiding in your shell? Look at them, there they go. Stay right back here. Look at that, cows just know right where to go because they're being led. Isn't that cool? Except there's a little clog up over there. Look at, they're just hanging out. So, you know, taking a break.
Still more cows coming.
Look at them all. Suki, isn't it cute?
No, there's still more.
This is a slow poke.
There's still more.
They're letting the other dudes catch up.
Hey, look at that. There's still more? Oh my god.
Run, little cows.
Or
What?
They're bunching them up there.
oh no, more cows coming. More cows. It's like slow cooking.
Hurry up, guys. You're behind.
There's still more. Come on.
Look at they just like, okay, we'll just follow.
Hey, look at that grub cat.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at those two. They're cow bleeding.
They're like, I don't want to be last. Oh, here come a bunch more.
Oh, maybe there's 550, I guess.
Somewhere around there, yeah.
Well, there's one right out the road. It's quite fast.
He's making sure that nobody gets out towards them.
He's like, stop!
Stop, unless we told them, like, I don't want to move that.
Whoa! Grandpa!
Yeah.
They'll have time right up there.
It's coming! More cowboys! There's some Canadians too. Canadians. Those are Canadians that came though. Morning!
Look at this horse, it's kind of going sideways. This horse kind of bouncing along sideways. Yeah. He doesn't like the people. So that was pretty cool.
Look like the horses in there. Did you get it?
Yeah. Yeah, back at you.
There's a black horse in there.
Yeah. Well, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.